Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Watch these crucial levels as Bitcoin, Ethereum continue to trade under pressures. Bitcoin rebounded from the $18 level this week. However, the world's largest cryptocurrency still hasn't been able to break the $19 resistance. Likewise, Ethereum bulls should keep trying to reach the $1,000 resistance. Bitcoin is back to $18 after testing $19 on reactions buying for this week's oversold levels. Ethereum has reversed its recent selling momentum at $2,000 as bulls try to reach the 1,000 resistance. Bitcoin. The above chart shows that Bitcoin set the $18 level as the bottom zone this week. The average levels of $19 held a solid resistance throughout the week. The magnitude of the rate is gone after the Fed's interest rate decision was smaller than on September 13. However, shows that the recent macroeconomic data has likely been full priced in by the BTC market. According to the short-term price actions, $19 is the closest support level for BTC or USD today, while the $19 level is immediate above resistance. After this level, BTC may see another resistance at $19 before the $20 mark. If the demand for BTC increases in weekend trading, and if we have a likely close in the range of $90 until 900, the odds are that the cryptocurrency will step into the $20 band next week. In such a scenario, the $19 until 21,000 range should come up as the next target. On the other hand, on the daily outlook, the stochastic RSI recorded a slight upward momentum from the oversold zone after slipping below the 20 levels. The momentum may increase if BTC closes above $19 on the hour and signal from the stochastic RSI indicator improve. Furthermore, the average directional movement index or ADX indicates that the upward movement has strengthened with the forecasts that started from the low on September 21. In the lower regions, the $18 until 800 range remains the support area for Bitcoin. A weekly close below this area could lead to a continuation of the downtrend in BTC or USD in a movement that would likely continue below $17. Ethereum or ETH, Ethereum, which continued its downward trend after the merge, found footing at the $2,500 level after losing the former $1,000 support at the beginning of the week. If Ethereum managed to stay above $1,000 today and on the weekend trading, buying demand will likely increase and the cryptocurrency could move towards the 1,000 until 1,500 range. If this area is exceeded with daily close, the possibility of ETH or USD moving to 1,000 until 1,800 will increase. However, if ETH price fails to stay above $1,300, the downward momentum can be expected to continue towards $1,100 with an increase in selling pressures. Geopolitical risks to keep crypto markets under pressures, although the pivotal week for global central banks is mostly behind us. Investors should consider that several geopolitical risks may yet be present in the crypto market in the coming days. Russia's declaration of partial mobilizations and the fact that the referendum process in the separatist region of Ukraine, Donetsk and Luhansk, will start today and continue until the beginning of the week can be seen as a pressure factor on risky market including cryptocurrencies. If these regions declare their allegiance to Russia as a result of the referendum, it could lead to re-escalation of tension between Ukraine and Russia. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.